How can I profile Python code line by line? I've been using Profile to profile my code, and it's been working great. I also use gprof2.py to visualize the results, makes it a little clearer. However, Profile, and most other Python profilers I've seen so far, seem to only profile at the function call level. This causes confusion when certain functions are called from different places. I have no idea if call number 1 or call number 2 is taking up the majority of the time. This gets even worse when the function in question is 6 levels deep, called from 7 other places. How do I get a line-by-line profiling? Instead of this, I'd like to see something like this. Profile does show how much of the total time transfers to the parent, but again this connection is lost when you have a bunch of layers and interconnected calls. Ideally, I'd love to have a GUI that would parse through the data, then show me my source file with a total time given to each line. Something like this. Then I'd be able to click on the second func C call to see what's taking up time in that call, separate from the func A call. Does that make sense?
I believe that's what Robert Kern's line_profiler is intended for. From the link.
You could also use profile PyPI. If you want to profile the entire execution, it does not require source code modification. You can also profile a subset of a larger program in 2 ways. Toggle profiling when reaching a specific point in the code, such as toggle profiling asynchronously from call stack requires a way to trigger this code in considered application, for example a signal handler or an available worker thread, by using statistical profiling. Code annotation output format is much like line profiler. Note that because Profile does not rely on code modification, it can profile top-level module statements, allowing to profile program startup time, how long it takes to import modules, initialize globals. It can generate cachegrind formatted output, so you can use cachegrind to browse large results easily. Disclosure: I am Profile author.
PivMonitor has a live view which can help you there. You can connect to a running program and get statistics from it. See this URL.
You can take help of line_profiler package for this. 1. First install the package. 2. Use magic command to load the package to your Python/notebook environment. 3. If you want to profile the codes for a function, then do as follows. You will get a nice formatted output with all the details if you follow these steps. Smiley face.
Pergunte voltar, pois que se morre esse cara.